Hi, I'm Mike Griffin and I'm a member of the sales team at American Metal Roofs. So when I come out, here's what I'm going to do for you. First, I'm going to do a precise measurement of your roof so I can give you an accurate quote. Next, I'll conduct a thorough attic inspection. I'll be checking for leaks, insulation moisture levels, proper ventilation, and most importantly, attic mold. Then we'll sit down and explore all of your roofing options and discuss whether an American Metal roof is the right choice for you. We'll weigh the pros and the cons of different roofing materials, look at photos of our work, talk about energy savings, and look at different metal roof styles and color choices. I'll answer all of your questions and finally present you with an exact quote for a beautiful, guaranteed American Metal roof. If you decide to purchase an American Metal roof, the next person you'll hear from will be Leah, our customer concierge. Leah will work with you through the installation process.